Using a Walmart eGift card at self-checkout is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. To begin, ensure you have received your eGift card via email and have the card number and PIN readily available. First, start by scanning the items you wish to purchase at the self-checkout terminal. Once all items are scanned, select the payment option and choose the gift card payment method. Next, enter the eGift card number and PIN in the required fields. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any errors. If your purchase exceeds the eGift card balance, you will be prompted to pay the remaining amount using an alternative payment method. After entering the eGift card information, review your transaction to ensure everything is correct. If all information is accurate, select the Finish and Pay option to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that Walmart eGift cards can only be used for online or in-store purchases, and cannot be used to purchase other gift cards or certain services. Additionally, eGift cards cannot be redeemed for cash unless required by law. To avoid any issues during the checkout process, make sure your eGift card is active and has a sufficient balance to cover your purchase. It is also a good idea to keep a record of your eGift card number and PIN in a secure location in case you need to reference them later. By following these steps, you can easily use your Walmart eGift card at self-checkout and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Remember to always keep your eGift card information secure and be aware of any applicable terms and conditions.